Greetings from SC14 in New Orleans, Louisiana. My name is Lauren Tucker. I am the Director of National Sales for DataSite Colocation. How does DataSite differ from other colocation operators? DataSite takes a unique, flexible approach to our colocation spaces. We do a combination of hybrid of retail and wholesale colocation. And we'll enable customers to have dedicated infrastructure, or we will manage the whole infrastructure for them. For instance, a client could have a 2N UPS system or fully dedicated power distribution units, or they could have us manage the whole thing for them. DataSite takes a unique approach to high density in our data center facilities. So the first thing we do is proactively engineer all of our data centers to be ready for additional power and cooling infrastructure. In addition to that, we have infrastructure in all of our data centers to enable us to do the high density cooling both for liquid cooled as well as for passive air cooled with plenum returns in all facilities. So we are piped, padded, and ready to go for any type of high density requirement. DataSite's better suited for high performance computing than a traditional colocation because of three reasons. The first is our flexibility, and obviously in terms of the way that we allocate our space, power, and cooling infrastructures for clients. The second is in regards to the way we do our billing. We have metered power billing, which enables customers to get a very economic deal for the power load that they may have. And the third reason is because of our ability to do the heat density. So we can do the high density supercomputing with absolutely no issues whatsoever. DataSite's proactively focused on the high performance computing market for a number of reasons. One, our data centers are engineered for it. Two, we have proven experience with many high-performance supercomputing customers in our facilities. And three, we believe it's an underserved niche market. We do believe there's a lot of future in it, especially with the high density, and therefore we've taken a proactive stance to ensure that we're ready for the future.
Hi, my name's Don Avart, Vice President and CTO of Redline Performance Solutions, formerly known as EBI. We recently changed our name to more closely align with what we do and the services we offer. We're an HPC services company that focuses on the many values that performance brings. Redline takes a lifecycle approach to performance with our Redline Performance Methodology, RPM. RPM is a toolkit for system design, build, and maintenance. Starting with the system design, we look at performance requirements, tune systems to meet our customers' specific performance goals, baseline those metrics, and implement tools that capture real-time performance data and archive that data. Simply put, performance matters. With the Redline Performance Methodology, we differentiate ourselves from other service providers by giving business managers the confidence to focus on their core mission without having to worry about their HPC resources. We provide services that allow customers to focus on their mission and do what they do best. Redline services include systems integration and installation, consulting and analyst services, operations and maintenance from shared services all the way to managed services. Thanks for joining us here at SC14, and we look forward to seeing you next year in Austin.